Yes, in your notebook. Come on. Do it in your notebook. Come on, everyone. Quickly. Come on, everyone. Finish it up. Convert milliliter into liters. Okay. So next example that you are going to do on your own, and I'm not going to solve this, right? 4,312 ml is equal to dash liter dash ml. Come on. Come on. Yes, very good. Solve this one. Very good, Anant. Give me the answer for this one. Arya Chudasma, work fast. Yes, Gavhane. Where is sitting in dark? Very good, Anant. Niranjan, I am sorry that you are finding my handwriting is a little bit difficult. Unfortunately, I am writing on my screen using my fingers. Okay, so I don't have that fancy stylus pen for me. Unfortunately, it's a bit expensive. I can't do it right now. uh, but it is readable at least. Yes. And this year I'm not going to ask you, Rajvi, what happened? Oh, Rajvi, tell me, beta, what happened? Rajvi, what happened, beta? Come on, solve these examples for me. Come on, beta. You can do this. These are easy examples, very easy examples.
1000 ml and 1000 ml is equal to 1000 ml.
Come on, beta, you can do this. Yes, so many correct answers. See, everyone is doing it. Come on, let's do it quickly. Yes, Nitra. Good job. I can see that you are typing the answer. Wonderful. Yes, Arjo. Good. Param, Dhwani. Wonderful. Yes. Very good. Dhara, finally in the classroom. Good. Good. Yes. Yes. Bhavya Hiten Patel. Good. Gajendra Singh. Wonderful. I see that you are attending the class today. That's good. Harnil, what is your question, beta?
Sir, I had no question.
Oh, you raised your hand. That is right. Okay. Mute yourself, beta.
By turn.
Okay. Mute yourself. Yes. Parth Barwad, keep your video on. Yes. Come on. Okay. So we are going to the next one now. Next one is, now what was the number here? Number 2, right? So let's do number 3, where 4 liter and 12 ml. Okay, 4 liter and 12 ml is equal to how many ml? That I'm going to write. Okay, 4 liter and 12 ml. Now this is very important part. Everyone pencil down. Pencil down. Yes, everyone put your pencils down. Man Suthar, Parth Bharwad, come on. Pencil down, everyone. I want pencils down. Yeah. Now, here we have got mixed number, liter and ml. Okay, Rajvi, pay attention. Focus. Focus on the screen. Yes. We know 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Yes. So 4 liter is going to be what? Very easy. 4 into 1000. Yes, that is very easy part. So that is going to be 4000. Directly I am writing. Yes. Now we have to add these 12 ml into this. So ml 4000 and 12. So what will be the answer? 4012 ml. Okay, so 4 liter 12 ml is equal to, this is Ella, please. Niranjan, I am sorry for my handwritings. And this year I am not going to ask you to ask any of you that improve your handwritings. This year I am not going to tell you. Okay. Because my handwritings are very poor when it comes to this online writing. Okay. So the rest of you can have a free year this time. Next year, if I am your class teacher, then we will work it double. All right, Jeet? Jeet is saying, I don't have to worry. My handwritings are good. Come on, everyone. Finish it up. See, Jeel is laughing. She knows her handwritings are good, so she doesn't have to worry. The problem is going to with only few students. Yes, Arjo, you know this method because last year we did this, right? Come on. Yes, Jia. Jia is saying, I don't have to worry about my notes. People borrow my notes. People ask for my notes. Even sir wants my textbook. Come on. Yes, Rajdeep. Come on, finish it up. Good. Very good. Wonderful. See, that's what I'm talking about. The students have become so sharp that they are doing on their own. Hmm. Come on. Yes, Rajvi. See, Rajvi is also paying attention and writing. Come on, Rajvi. Finish it up. Oh, yes. See, she gives me a thumbs up. I'm so happy. Come. Yeah, Shikha has a doubt. Okay, Shikha, let's see what is your doubt here. I'm going to unmute you. Shikha. Yes, Shikha, tell me.
Sir, when will we do the textbook exercises?
Textbook exercise you have to do on your own. You don't need me for that. Okay? Textbook exercise you can do on your own. No problems. Okay? All right, come on. Yes, Daksh, thank you. You are improving your handwritings. I'm happy to know that. Come on, let's do some examples. This you can consider as your homework. Okay, this is going to be your homework. Everyone, note it down. Similar example. Yes. Number 5. This is your all your homework. Huh? Finish it up. Come on, homework. Note it down. Then we will go to the next topic, addition and subtraction. And then tomorrow we will take story sums. Come on. Come on. Work faster, write faster. How many of you remember last year's this type of examples where I used to give so much of writing work? You know, one student told me last year that, sir, you are giving so much of writing work. One student came and told me that, sir, this is too much of a homework. I said, this is not your homework. This is just the classwork. Homework will be coming later on. Come on. Anna Raji, so much to write. Kaushik sir gives so much to write. Oh, you want more? That's why you're giving me thumbs up. Okay, I'll give you more. Thank you, Rajiv. I'm going to give you more homework. Okay. Heth is saying no, yes, no, yes, no. Make up your mind, Heth. Do you want more homework or not? Come on, make up your mind. All right. Should I go for the next one? Yes or no? Come on. Everybody done? Everybody has noted it? Yes? Very good. Come on. Yes, very good. Good job, everyone. Very good job. Come on, let's try one more example, like, sorry, no, new type of example, addition and subtraction of liquids. Yes? Good. Chalo. We are going to the next slide where you have to add, okay? Addition and subtraction. So let's try example, right? Here, 3 liter 256 ml plus 2 liter 784 ml. Very easy. So what do? We write liter and ml signs. 3 here, 256 ml here, 2 liter here, 784 here, and we just put the sign of plus. Okay. Now, why did we do this? To make sure that ml is added to ml, milliliters are added to milliliter only, and liters are added to liters only, arranging it in a proper way. Yes. Now, all we have to do is add them. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 1 carried over here. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 4 carried 4 here. 1 carried over here. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. And 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. So we have got 1040 ml, which is 1 liter and 40 ml. Yes. Right. And then this 1 liter has to be added to this one. So your final answer is 6 liter 40 ml. Okay. This is one way of doing it. Okay. Yes, everyone. Just like we did it for kilograms and grams. This is very easy part. Come on, everyone. Arya, are you able to write it up or you need more time? Good, good, very good. Panth, where is Panth today? I don't see Panth. Is he there? Is Panth in the classroom today? Yes, Panth is there. Panth, unmute yourself. Yes, Panth. Are you able to write it with me? No, he's not responding. Yes, Panth.
Yeah.
Are you able to write it with me? Or do you want me to slow
Okay.
it down?
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta. Good job.
Please,
Wait.
sir.
Okay. Come on, everyone. Let's do it fast. Done? I'm getting so many done. I want more homework. Heth is saying, okay, you want more homework? Okay, you'll get some more. Okay, I'm going to give more homework. Okay, come on. Let's do one more example. Next one. Number 2. 5 liter 56 ml plus 3 liter 8 ml. Okay. Now, how do we do it? We know liter and ml. 5, 56 and 3. 8, where will we write? We will be writing 8 here. Okay, this is very important part. This is very important part. 6 plus, or we can write like this also, 0 0 0 8, right? This will make it even easier. 8 plus 6 is 14, 1 carried over, so 5 plus 1 6, 0, 5 plus 3 8. So answer is 8 liter and 64 ml. You can write it. I'm not going to write that for you. Yes, come on, final answer you must write. Yes, Shikha, it happens. People get slow at writing, especially when you are getting older like me, right? I'm getting aged now. Yes, so we get slow, and people are getting slow because they don't have enough practice. Students like you who are not getting enough practice. But don't worry, I'm going to give you lots of questions. Yes, Netra, you have a question. We will take your question now. Netra, unmute yourself, Netra.
सर
Yes,
सर जो आपने फर्स्ट एग्जांपल दिया था वो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया
कौन सा वाला? प्रीवियस वन वाला?
फर्स्ट वाला
फर्स्ट वन वाला, ये वाला. Okay, just like kilogram beta, we added and we got 1400 1040 ml. So 1040 ml, we know we have to convert it into 1 liter and 40 ml. When we convert it into, it will become 1 liter and 40 ml. So this 1 liter will be added to liters, which is 5. 5 plus 1, we can write it here. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So the final answer is 6 liter and 40 ml. Yes? Now you understand?
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Yes, sir.
Very good. That's my girl. Come on. Next one. So I'm going to give you one more example where 86 direct. I'm going to give you liter here and ml here. 86 liter and 108 ml plus 24 liters and 892 ml. Okay, so we are going to add these two directly. 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 carried over, so 1 plus 9 again 10, 1 carried over, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 8 10. Okay, 6 plus 4 is also 10, 1 carried over, 8 plus 1 9 plus 2 11. Now this Netra special is this one. This is again 1000 ml. So it will be converted into 1 liter. Yes. So that 1 liter will be added here. It becomes 111 liter. Okay. Yes. All right. Okay. Done, everyone? Okay. Chalo. Next one, we are going to do subtraction. Yes. Or is it too fast? Come on. Note it down. Okay, that's it for the day. I think we'll stop here. So I'm going to give you homework now. Okay, your homework is from workbook. From the workbook, worksheet number 53. Worksheet number 53 and worksheet number 54. Okay, worksheet number 53 and 54. Yes, Shika, more homework. Worksheet number 53 and 54. I'm going to put it in diary for you, right? Worksheet number 53 and 54 is your homework for the day. That's it. Not much. Very easy. You'll find those examples very easy. Yes? Okay, Dhwani has a question. Yes, Dhwani, what is your question? Yes, Dhwani, I'm listening.
सर
Mm-hmm.
52 वर्कशीट नंबर पे 6 और 7 वाला मुझे नहीं आया सिखाना
52 worksheet, number 6 and number 7. 200 liters.
यस
Okay, hold on a second. Now let me share it new for
200
you. Yes,
milliliter is equal to blank of 1 liter.
yes, 200 milliliter. Now 1 liter here. Okay, let's see. You can see it on your screen now. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Yes. Now the question is that 200 millimeters is how much of a liter? So this is how it works. Okay, 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So 200 ml is equal to how many liters? Okay, so 200 into 1 divided by 1000.
1000.
Yes, so 0 cancel, 0 cancel. Two zeros cancel here. Yes, so what is
Yes.
left? 2 upon 10.
1.
2 upon
10.
10. Yes, so 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Yes,
10.
right. So what is the answer here? 1 upon 5th. Okay, now the correct answer
Thank you,
is
sir.
that, right? Same way you can do for 100 milliliter, which is 1/10. 1 upon 10 आएगा उसका answer, right? You will get 1 upon 10 as answer. Yes, Bhavya, Man, Param, Preet, they are all saying my work is already done. See, so many good students I have. Okay, well, that's it for the day. Rajdeep wants to say something. Yes, Rajdeep. Yes, Rajdeep, you want to say something, Vita? No, it appears he doesn't want to say something. All right, then. That's it for the day. I will see you in the next session, and I'm going to upload this in just few minutes. Okay, I'll upload it on YouTube. Then you can like, comment. Okay, you can comment also now. Now you will have that freedom. You can comment on it, right? You can write. कौशिक सर ने आज अच्छा नहीं पढ़ाया. कौशिक सर ने आज बहुत सारा homework दे दिया. You can do whatever you want to with that with that video. Okay, right? And if you want to say "Sir, Kaushik sir is very good, sir," that also you can write. I'll be happy. Okay, everyone. Yes, Vedanshi, all clear? Good, very good. Okay, Shanvi. Yes, Jia wants to say something. Jia, you don't do that. You just write a message. Sir, I want to speak something. Yes, Jia, tell me.
सर मैं वर्कशीट 52, 53, 54 और 55 हो गई है तो मैं 56 करूँ.
हाँ, करो, करो. जितना आता है सब खत्म कर दो. Okay, right? All right, everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye.